everybody, welcome. Today we are going to draw George dressed as Superman. We start with the nose. We make 2 circles 4. Now we finish his head. So well rounded. We are making circles for the eyes. And now we color them. It's going to look great. Now we start by making the mask. So very well. We draw you a smile. And the muffin is well rounded. Now we draw him some ears. And we are already on the body. We make a circle at the bottom. And now the arms and hands. If you are liking the video, you can subscribe and like us. We finish the other arm. And now we make him the Super George G. We finish the emblem. And now we do his feet. The only thing left to do is to finish the layer. So very well. And the tail that does not move. We continue to draw George's reflection. We start with the ears, and we continue through the rest of the body. What fun! I'm sure he has a great time flying through the air. We continue through the layer. And now the nose is very good. Don't leave yet. We still have to color, which is super fun. I don't know what color to start with. We finished his feet. It's getting super cool. I think I'm going to take the green one. I'm going to draw the mask. So very well. We start at the edges, and then the center without leaving. It's going to be super cool. Now I am going to draw the insignia, also green. C to C. Now I'm going to get the pink. What it will be for? Clear to the nose. We draw the nose. And the rest of the head. Pigs are pink in color, right? If you are liking the video, you can subscribe and like us. We continue coloring. You are doing very well. And now only the top and ears. We also paint his arms. And legs. See what color I get in red. Will be perfect for noses. And cheeks. Also the mouth. And I think I'm going to color the cape. How cool superhero layers are!
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
And all that remains is to color the body. I think the blue one came out great. We finished the body. And I would already be. See you in the next video. Yee!